So the Côte de Tablas Blanc is our chance to show off Viognier. So Viognier is one of the classic grapes of the Rhône Valley. But in a warm climate, like in the southern Rhône or like in Paso Robles, it's usually used as a blending grape, but in a lead role. So the Viognier is that floral juiciness. The Grenache Blanc is citrusy, bright, minerally. Marsanne is restraint, kind of melon, a little bit of honey, pretty, and then Roussanne is structure.
Yeah, right away, just that floral, perfumey.
The nice thing about working with Rhône grapes is that they're meant to be blended with one another. Each of them brings a different strength to the table.
Yeah.
And so you can allow a grape like Viognier to show off what it's great at without having to live with its weaknesses.
Viognier is one of my favorite grapes that I feel like nobody does right, and I don't say that about you guys, so cheers to that.